All right, January 20th, 2022. Haven't filmed an official video of this yet, but this is my new car that I got in September. 2006 Pontiac Vibe with the 1.8 liter in it. It's 7 degrees outside. Let's cold start her. She's got just over 119,000 miles. I just had the intake manifold gasket, throttle body gasket. Both of those replaced. Throttle body cleaned. And fresh oil change. Sneak peek for you guys. Got my radios in here and everything, so I'll show you guys all this later. Let's look at that odometer. 119,000 miles. She's saying 9 degrees outside. Weather channel saying 7. Close enough. There you have it.